If achieving YouTube fame is a puzzle to you, then you've come to the right place. There are so many YouTube channels out there that have millions of subscribers and make hundreds of thousands of dollars. The question is, how do they get to this point, and how can you get to this point? The answer is simpler than you may think. They're able to get their videos in front of a lot of people who are searching for content on YouTube. They achieve this by having good SEO, allowing them to rank #1 in YouTube search results, even above larger channels. If you want viewers to watch your own videos, you'll have to optimize them so people will find them when they search. This is particularly relevant now that new creators are constantly entering the platform. Don't let the growing competition on the platform scare you. It's still possible for you to rank better in YouTube search. You just need to know how, and we'll teach you how in this video. And while we're at it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you find value in this video. It's free, it's easy, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want. Now let's get straight into the video itself. What is YouTube algorithm? The YouTube algorithm means meaningful feedback loop that filters videos to every other viewer's various interests. It determines which videos can be recommended to specific users. The algorithm's two factors are also to pick the ideal video for any user and keep them watching. Algorithm hacks. There are different algorithm hacks which can help you rank your content at the top. Hack number 1, focus on keywords. Creating a target keyword to every video, even if you've normally uploaded them to YouTube and haven't yet pushed a record, would greatly improve your ranks. Both search engines, like YouTube, operate by comparing the user's search word with one of the most applicable results. Re-watch outdated YouTube videos or attempt to find the main subject while you're spicing them up. Consider the following question. What would be the video's main point? Is this the important word? It would be better to pick some keywords for potential videos if you're doing it first. You should also use a keyword analysis method to discover the most common search words to use. Ahrefs Keyword, KeywordTool.io, and SEMrush are some of the most common keyword analysis tools. They all function in the same manner, but KeywordTool.io is just the easiest to use. Simply choose your preferred search engine, YouTube, and then type in your desired keyword. However, the Pro Edition allows you to go even further by calculating keyword density, CPC, as well as competition. This could help you identify a collection of keywords with a good search density and high competitiveness, allowing anyone or small channel to rank faster and higher on YouTube. When you've discovered a keyword that closely fits the subject of a video and provides a good chance, write it down and continue watching this video for advice about using it to improve your ranking. Hack number 2. Optimizing your title is another algorithm hack. If you've chosen a keyword, you may use it to boost your YouTube rating by optimizing your video in various ways. Using the keywords in the title has become a great way to do something like this. However, with 300 to 400 hours of content posted on YouTube per minute, a keyword cannot be enough to improve your YouTube SEO significantly. Your title should be interesting. It should send out a post to YouTube viewers saying, "Click me." Making a vow is a perfect way to achieve this. Are you trying to impart information to your audience? Do you tend to continue entertaining them? Tell them what people are going to watch. Hack number 3. Moreover, to improve and optimize your description, optimizing your title is also needed. If the title aims to attract prospective audiences' attention, your overview should also be in depth. The very first 126 characters of any description are shown on YouTube, so it would be a smart way to create, but at least go for 150 to 250 words if you need to. YouTube also suggests that you should write the most targeted knowledge only on the top of any description. The algorithm isn't the only factor. Bear in mind that the audience should be reviewing this as well, so keep that in mind. When composing the content video descriptions, there are a few things to keep in mind. Number 1, don't neglect to use the keyword or keywords in the description. Number 2, check to see if what you're writing is original. Don't just cut and paste content from any website or somewhere else. Number 3, include the URL to the website to guide visitors to it. Hack number 4. You can also use the targeted keywords in the tags category after using the title targeted keywords. Tags are there for YouTube's benefits, so the fans won't see how you put in them. Feel free to use as many different combinations of the relevant keyword phrases as you can. If we continue with the Instagram hacks theme, there are 7 ideas to consider. Hacks for Instagram, about Instagram, hacks, life suggestions and hacks for social media, the internet and social media suggestions and tips. It's worth noting that they shouldn't have to be too descriptive. Keyword rank monitoring and tracking are the main features available, and it helps you determine the search rating for various tags so that you can use the correct keyword for SEO. Hack number 5. You can be inclined to skip through this section. And anyway, scripts are stilted and unnatural, but you want to appear relaxed and spontaneous, correct? An entertaining, well-written storyline, on the other hand, will help you come across as normal and organic while still ensuring that you would not get carried away and losing viewers. A script will enable you to improve your vocabulary by eliminating or, so why was I, as well as spark the interest of your audience. According to the Ad Age report from 2015, a long time back in digital advertising years, advertisers only have 10 seconds to catch and read their viewers until they're lost. According to the research, if your viewer isn't completely engaged during the initial 30 seconds, you've lost 33% of them. And keep in mind, this was back in 2015. It's much more challenging now. So the step is to write a story with a fast, catchy intro that leads down to specifics and tells audiences why they must tune in. Consider it an extension of your title. Make a vow at the beginning you will fulfill by the conclusion. Hack number 6. Whenever it's about YouTube, prolonged videos outclass shorter ones, contrary to common opinion. When you enter a keyword or even a phrase into YouTube, you will find that the highest ranking videos are usually very long. In reality, maximum view time is search ranking and algorithm hacks on YouTube. If you think about it, the further you watch, thus the more you get interested and engaged, the further likely users will be to stream more content and see commercials. The more people who watch your posts, the better your scores are expected to be. As a result, YouTube prefers lengthy videos that can be viewed for longer periods. This isn't to say that you can always want to make the videos last as long as necessary. It also indicates that you should also not feel rushed to get it done in a short amount of time. YouTube will notice and you will begin to score higher if the videos become long and informative, but still entertaining enough to let people watch. Hack number 7. Try that people watch your video a little longer. Viewer engagement is essential about YouTube SEO because watch time has become so significant. If you want viewers to continue to watch your posts, make sure they're as visually appealing as possible. Many creators simply stand next to a camera and chat, but this isn't really entertaining. Hack number 8. It'll be good and great to make a longer video with keywords sprinkled in, but if your viewers can't stay and watch the video a little longer, you send a piece of negative news to YouTube. The YouTube description and thumbnail will be the first 2 items a user sees when determining whether or not to tap on any video. The thumbnail matters because visual information can be interpreted 60,000 times faster than written content. YouTube will allocate a thumbnail instantly, but it'll be randomly shot first from the film. To make your post stand out, choose a special attention-grabbing picture that will entice viewers to click. Hack number 9. Since they play instantly, playlists have become an excellent way to maximize your channel's average watch time. As a result, a viewer can watch 5 to 6 of your videos rather than just one. To make a playlist, you'll also need to group a few videos with a common subject or style. Check out the video on screen right now and subscribe if you want to learn more ways to make money on YouTube.